Welcome back to the best seat in the house. I'm glad you're here for episode 2. I'm Brian Daggett, and this is my YouTube channel. If you caught the first episode, you already know what this series is about, giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look on what it's like to be a drummer in a musical theater. Today, I'm taking you inside what every great live show depends on and what very few people get to witness. Rehearsal. Thousands of people get to see the finished product every year. The lights, the music, the production, the choreography, everything. But before any of that happens, there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes. In this episode, I'm going to give you a front row seat of what that process looks like for me. So whether you're a fan of live entertainment or just curious to see what happens backstage, you're in the right place. This is the best seat in the house, and today we're stepping inside of rehearsal at the Carolina Opry. So let's go. Our usual call time for sound check is 5:30. However, on a rehearsal day, we have to be here a couple hours before that. There is a version of this building that almost nobody gets to see. For the band, it starts here, a couple hours before sound check. The theater's already waking up, people are already moving around, equipment is getting checked, and everybody's getting ready for another night. Me? I usually start with coffee. I love coffee. I've learned over the years that almost everything goes a little smoother after that first cup. Once I've got that handled, I put my things away and I head up to the drum kit. I always make sure that I'm at least earlier than the call time. That way, if anything were to happen, I have plenty of time to get where I need to be. Before we play a note, I like to make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Tighten a stand, change a head, clean up the kit. Nothing major, just making sure the tools are ready for the job. Then rehearsal begins. Some days we're learning brand new songs. Other days we're changing choreography, moving pieces of the show around, or working through ideas that looked good on paper but need a little help once they're on stage. That's the thing about live entertainment. It's always evolving. What the audience sees at 7 o'clock looks polished and effortless, but getting there takes a lot of trial and error. Stopping, starting, adjusting, and trying again. Because no matter how professional the production is, at the end of the day, it's still a group of people spending hours together trying to create something special. By the time sound check rolls around, the pieces are starting to fall into place, and the audience will see the finished product. But personally, I've always thought this part is pretty interesting too. Once rehearsal is complete, it's on to sound check, and then everybody gets some downtime before we have to get ready for the show. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out this episode of The Best Seat in the House. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you'd like to, you can follow me on social media at bdags79, or you can check out my website, briandaggettdrums.com. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.